Come test drive the 2019 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, backup camera, remote engine start, Bluetooth, air conditioning, cruise control, climate control, passenger airbag, Sirius, satellite radio, remote keyless entry. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
I'm Mike Murphy, owner of Mike Murphy Ford. I appreciate you visiting our website and hope you find it helpful. We would be glad to answer any of your questions, send you more photos, arrange a test drive, arrange financing. Just let us know how we can help. We get it. Price sells cars.